Hey Griffin, so you're just going to go to library.appstate.edu and then browse all databases and then go to O. And then I usually just start searching for Oxford because there tend to be more databases that start with an O than you would think. And then you're looking for the Oxford English Dictionary. If you're off campus, you might have to, sign in and have the duo authentication. And then once you're here, this is where you search. So I can see where we searched for narcissist and then go. And I think we also went to narcissism, which is over here on the right. So you have other forms of the word. In terms of citing this, let's go to our class. Let's go to, this is my screen, so it looks a little different than yours, but let's go to Custer's Quick Reference Guide for citing an APA, and let's see if I have something for a dictionary definition, and I do. It's right there. So the title of dictionary, Oxford English Dictionary, year 2020, the term that you used. It looks like you repeat in Oxford English Dictionary and then give me the URL to the library's database. So hopefully this is helpful. Good luck as you start to wrap everything up.